Hello everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. My name is Vihanger and I am an engineer. In our previous video, we have described properties palette and working space. Today we are going to focus on one of the most practical parts of working in Revit, changing units, drawing walls and editing wall properties and adding dimensions. Whether you are working in metric or Imperial, this tutorial will help you set up your project properly and draw with precision. Let's get started. So, our first one is how to change project units. Let's begin with change our project units. So, you can go to the manage tab and here you can see the project units and it will appear this dialog. Or you can type UN in your keyboard. It will also appear this one. In here we can change angle like degree, radian or radians, length, feet and fractional or millimeters, meters. Here I will use feet and fractional and rounding near its nearest 1 feet or 1 inch. You can choose that one as per precision. Next one is slope. When we adding roof, we can add rise. So here have degree. Then I will click OK. So let's test it. First I will draw wall. Now it shows 66 feet by 34 feet. So I will change units. Type UN and here we can change millimeters. Then OK. Now here we have dimensions. Wall faces. Now you can see here it shows in millimeters. If you want it in feet, you can go to this one and change to feet and fractionals. Yeah, okay. So I think this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see this one. I think first one is from the center, wall faces. Wall centers. Yeah, 66 is wall face center. Yeah. So okay, now that our units are okay, let's draw some walls. Go to architecture tab and select wall and wall architecture. In the properties palette, we can choose what is the thickness for wall size. So I will choose 6 inches and you can see here below the ribbon you can see height or depth. Normally we use height because and here shows what is the level need to continue. Normally level 2 or we can use unconnected. So I will choose unconnected and here I will change dimension to 10 feet. and the location line. We can choose wall center, so it will only draw in centers. So core center line, finish face exterior, finish face, finish face exterior, finish face interior, core face exterior. So in the next videos we can decide which one this one using. Okay. So in here chain, if we tick this one, we can draw in chain like something like this one. So we don't need to click again. So if you click this one, only one wall, it will finish. And again, if we need to continue, we need to click here. Okay. So next thing is how to add dimensions. So in the annotate tab, we have so much dimensions like aligned, linear, angular, radial, diameter, all the dimensions. And here we have shortcut for aligned dimensions. So these both are same. Here we have, because we don't need to click any tabs for the dimension. So I will choose this align dimension. And normally it shows here we can pick wall center or wall faces. Normally I choose wall faces because every time we need only the interior dimension for our project. Okay. Just click the wall face and click another wall face and click between no here for the dimension place. Okay. So if we need to move dimension, you can click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. When you click this dimension, you can see log. So if we click this one, we can't change this dimension. So you can see now this dimension not logged. So I can change this one. This one can't because this dimension is fixed. Okay. So my next one is how to change dimension in this between these walls. So we can click this wall and click this dimension. So I mean maybe 24 feet. So you can see only this wall is moving. If we need to move this wall by 2 feet, click this wall and 26 feet. Yeah. Now you can get the basic idea of how to change dimensions and how to draw walls like that. Okay. So my next one is how to change the wall properties. So next, let's customize our walls. So in here, this one is 6 inches. So firstly, we select this wall, and here we can change thickness or material, something like that. But I'm going to show another method. So in our projects, we every day we didn't find something like these walls because customers like new customized walls. So I'm going to customize new wall. So firstly we click here edit type, and we can duplicate this wall. So we are not editing already in this wall, we are creating new one, so we can duplicate it. So I will add to here 8. I'll rename this one 8-inch block wall. Yeah, okay. So we can see in preview here. So this one is the 8-inch block wall, sorry. So now we can change the structure. Here in the parameters, you can see the structure, and here we can edit values. So I click edit. So here is structure. So it only shows 6 inches, but we have 8 inches. So I will insert here, not the structure, sorry. Yeah, we can delete this one. Okay, we can insert 2, and for this structure we can up to center. So this one we can change to finish one. This one also we can change to finish one. So we can use this one to finish down. Okay, now we can give this one to maybe half inch, and this one to 7. So the total thickness will be 8 inches. Then we can change this one material. So here we can click material, and we can use this gypsum wall board. So normally for the plaster we also use gypsum wall board. Okay, for the structure I can use brick. This one. Here in preview we can see how the wall is arranged. In here plaster both side, and center block brick wall. Yeah. So I will apply and okay. So now you can see that this wall has changed thickness, line and dimensions. So if we want to change this wall also, select this one and change the wall type to 8-inch. Okay, now we'll go to the 3D view. I will remove these walls. And change material type to realistic. So you can see here walls. So if we need to section view for this one, click here, and here have section box. We can select tick in section box, So you can see the section box here. You can rotate by click shift and middle mouse scroll button. Yeah. Now you can see the structure in the wall in realistic view. Okay. In this video, we learn how to change project units Revit in metric or Imperial and draw and edit walls with precision, modify walls and materials, add and control dimensions. So these are the essential Revit skills you will use in every project. In the next video, we'll continue adding doors, windows and openings, and maybe we can change dimensions in doors and windows and openings. Uh, yeah, we can do it in next video. And thanks for watching Nextgen Cad. If this helpful you, please like, subscribe and comment below what topic you would like to see next. See you in the next tutorial.